Hello everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the launch of Anthropology Foundation course for the year 2025 and 2026. This course is being designed for the aspirants to provide the strong and comprehensive base for their optional. Whether you are joining us offline and online, this course is being curated keeping in mind both the beginner's learning curve and the dynamic demands of the UPSC syllabus. Why you should join us and why our optional course is unique? Let me tell you. This course is not offering you a full-fledged classes and all. This course is going to provide you a complete ecosystem for the preparation. Let me tell you some basic features. The first and the foremost feature is the concise as well as the comprehensive structured notes. So this is going to be the study material. Other than this study material, we are going to provide you some learning oriented training, that is going to be the live answer writing. Other than this, there is going to be personal one-to-one mentorship, and in today's this lecture I am going to show you the kind of study material that you will get. This study material you will get in terms of the paper 1 and paper 2 book. Now here I just want to pinpoint that in which way and in which type of structure I am going to provide you the kind of notes that would help you for your preparation. Here I am providing you the unit 1 for the paper 1. Unit 1.1, this is being designed as per the UPSC demand, as per the syllabus that is given by the UPSC. Here you can see unit 1.1 meaning, scope and development of anthropology. This is being divided into the parts, into the themes and being added up with the examples. The language is so easy to understand as well as rich in terms of language, and it is being showing here the perfect structure that is also going to help you for writing the answer. You don't need to think about. You don't need to read so much. It is concise as well as structured. Whereas like one side it is concise, but on the other side it is comprehensive. Here you can see introduction, meaning. Don't worry, I am going to zoom it up as well. Here I am just pointing out what are the kind of thing we had covered. So while covering the unit 1.1, this is the in the red you can see the kind of syllabus given by the UPSC. Here we had divided this into the 3 parts so that you will get the clarity. These are the points you need to cover. Part 1, meaning of anthropology. Then part 2, scope of anthropology. Then part 3, development of anthropology. Now all these parts, they are being divided into proper headings. Introduction, meaning, definition, then value addition material, then nature and theme of anthropology. Why? Because UPSC is asking you some question. Like it's like time is gone when UPSC used to ask some direct question. Now they are asking some direct information but in an indirect way, and for that we need to have structured notes so that we don't need we don't feel like what to mention, what note and such kind of doubts that you may feel while writing the answer. So that's why the kind of study material we offering at Sunya IAS for the foundation batch, as well as you can also access the anthropology paper 1 and paper 2 book for this type of material. Here you can see proper value addition material is being provided to you. In each and every part we are providing the example. This is one of the way only for the unit 1.1. Let me further show you so that you will get the basic clarity. This is the unit 1.2, relationship of anthropology with other disciplines. Here, just to simplify how we had structured the notes in these format from 1 to 8, anthropology and history, sociology, economics, psychology, law, so that you will get the clarity that all these disciplines we had covered. Now, there is a proper basis being created. Let us suppose for part 1, anthropology and history, creating a separate introduction, then similarities, then differences, and at last conclusion. So these notes, they are in a structured and answer ready format. That's how we are saying that we are providing you with practice oriented learning. Let me show you the same thing is being followed for each and every part. This is somehow you can see, let us suppose for part 3, anthropology and economics. Here you can see the complete thing. Not only this, for each and every unit, providing the value addition material, highlighting the name of the anthropologist and the basic details. Here also, now you can find out the unit 1.3. So, for the paper 1 unit 1.3, specifying about the main branches. For that, again, the structure is going to be same, providing you the basic introduction, then specifying about the separate branches. So, part 1, socio-cultural anthropology, you will get the definitions, the main areas, then each and every part, they are being curated in such an answer ready format that you don't feel any sort of doubt or you don't feel like that you are not able to remember the things. So things, they are being provided in a very simplified manner. Here value addition material is also being provided to you separately while framing in this type of format. Here you can specify the information. Now this is the kind of study material that you will get as part of your foundation course, although you can also order this type of books for the paper 1 and paper 2 from the Sunya IAS website. So the link for ordering the books and the link for joining the anthropology foundation course is being provided in the description box. Now let me show you the kind of simple language that is being used. Here, this is I'm showing you the unit 1.1, simple meaning of anthropology. See, anthropology is the study of how humans began, how they have developed over time, and what makes them human. It looks at both prehistoric, present day societies. So this is in terms, these each and every word, they have some meaning, and this is somehow rich language yet simplified as well. So you don't feel any sort of difficulty while remembering as well as while writing the answer. So this is the kind of level of simplification and the level of structure we are having in terms of our study material. Now not only this, in terms of today's lecture or today's session is only just to show you the kind of study material in terms of PDF. Next session we would be having, while having this type of study material during the classes, what kind of presentation we are going to have. So during the classes I am going to inculcate some current updates, some easy to remember type of PPTs while using the images, while using the diagrams, so that everything is being provided to you in terms of a platter. So as I told you, this anthropology foundation course at Sunya IAS, it's not only a course, it is providing you complete ecosystem of preparation, and this course is here to provide you a very transformational journey in the world of the anthropology. So this is what I'm asking you, we are launching our course and the course is starting from the 10th of June. If you want to start your journey in the world of anthropology, so you should join Anthropology Foundation course at Sunya IAS. And other than this, if you want to order for the simplified yet structured and comprehensive notes for anthropology, you can also order the notes. These are the paper 1, paper 2 books as well as the 8 years old anthropology optional book. This is what you can just the link for ordering this book is being provided in the description box. You can get the information from there. If you are being part of the Anthropology Foundation course, then you are going to get more and more things related to the anthropology. That's going to be the structured notes, that's going to be the image based PPTs that would help you to remember as well as easily understand the concept, which are including the current updates as well, and it includes the live answer writing, and last but not least, one-to-one mentorship. So one-to-one mentorship is going to help you to get the better insights about your own preparation, and it is going to provide you supervision as well as the early evaluation of your performance, that you are going in the right direction or not. So join the course for Anthropology Foundation at Sunya IAS. Thank you so much.